So today I am going to be teaching you guys all about surface area. And for surface area, to find surface area, I should say, you find the sum of all the faces that are on, like in the area. So each individual space. And then for my example here, because I'm going to show you an example before I get started, we have a rectangular prism, which is going to be mostly what I'm working with today. And you'll have 3 inches, 4 inches, and 7 inches. And with this, to have like a more visual experience of it, I'm going to do a net. And net is just a 2D version of a 3D shape, so you can get all the pieces folded out. So we're going to start with this back part right here. So this is the back. And then this middle piece is the bottom. I'll wait as I go so you guys can see. And then this is the front. And these are your sides, so we need 2 of those. And then what's commonly forgotten is the top. So with the bottom, there's the top, and it can go on either side of the sides. And we're going to just put the top right here. So since we have it all folded out from where it started, now we're going to find the measurements that go in each one. So I labeled it out right here, the back, front, 2 sides, top and bottom. So for the back and front, we are going to have 4 and 4, and then since there's 3, that's kind of like the height of it. It'll go right here and right here. So back and front equals 4 times 3, which is 12. And since there's 2 of them, you're going to have 12 times 2, which is 24 for back and front. And then the 2 sides are going to be 7, since we have 7, and pretty much just the whole sides, bottom, sides, top, kind of all equals 7. And then you're going to do that by 4, since it happens 4 times. So do 4 times 7, which is 28 times 2, which equals 42, right? 54? No, 56. So that one is on 2 sides. And then for the top and bottom, that one is going to be 2 sides would be 3 and 4, wouldn't it? It would be 3 instead of 4.
There you go. Well, or just why don't you just change your 2 sides to top and bottom?
Okay.
And it will be the sides of it.
Top and bottom. So it's 4.
Mm-hmm.
And then, okay. So for the 2 sides, I lied. It is actually going to be 3 times 7. And that equals 21 times 2, and equals 42. There we go. I knew something was 42 around here. So we're not finished yet. To find the total surface area now, we'll add up all of these. And we'll get 2 all over there. 122. But that's not it. That's not all. Now we have the to add the inches. So it'll be inches, and since it's surface area, it's going to be squared. So that's like the example for that one. And then now that's why I gave you guys all your cereal boxes, because now we're going to try it ourselves. So once you get the cereal box, we're going to measure the sides. I gave you some rulers. They should be direct.
You want us to make it a net or not yet? Just regular?
Not yet. Yeah.
Okay.
Measure the sides, and then we'll make it after, since it might change the sides. Could have changed my size a little bit. This is what it's gonna look like.
There's a little bit of area there in the pool.
Yeah. We're gonna do it in inches or centimeters. I lied. We're gonna do centimeters. And on one side, I did round. And while you're doing that, I will change my number.
Are we rounding?
Yeah, for that one side, you should be rounded. The rest should be regular.
Okay.
Does everyone have their numbers? Did you guys get 4, 7, and 12? Okay.
No. I thought it was 45.
Oh yeah, I rounded all
Okay.
that one. So it would be, yeah. So we have those sides now. So now we're gonna do the same exact thing. So that's why you have your boxes. And I would honestly take the cereal out, obviously, because you're gonna cut the thing open. So let's see. So this is the final product of what it's gonna look like. So yes, one flat, maybe we can cut it on. So when we get here, I guess you guys can do it. You can do it. You can just do it. So we'll rip off the side and keep one to the top. And then, yeah.
You said we're cutting off these things.
Yeah.
Or
All of them?
All of them? Or just, we want to say one of each
We
row?
want to save the top piece, just one, and then the bottom piece one. So the other side. So you'll cut off like these two right here, and then these two on the bottom. So I kept my bottom ones together and cut it, so that's why it looks a little bit different. And then,
You're super technical over there. Just like rip the sides off.
I will hurry.
No, you're
Sorry, I'm like
I'm just
OCD. This needs to be straight.
okay, we'll continue on. So yeah, so now we're gonna find the net of the box, just kind of laid out. So for the bottom of the box, I also labeled mine too. I did the back, bottom, front, side, side, and top to make it a little bit easier and more clear. And then for the bottom, so now we can solve once you have all your measurements written out. And it's just like the same exact thing, just a little bit clearer. So we are going to do the back and the front, which is going to be 7, 1, 8. And we're going to times that by 2, which is 56, I think. And then we do our 2 sides. which is gonna be 4 and 12. And that is 48, and then we times that bar to -6. And then the top and bottom is the same thing here. 84, and then you do 84 times 2. It's very repetitive, so that's that. And then when you add it all up, you get approximately 320 since I rounded that one. So 320 centimeters. That one. That's the surface area. And then also, if you need more practice or more guidance or help, that's when I would give out this little quiz. It has 2 problems that each student can do. And then if they are further ahead, then you would obviously move on to like pyramids and other prisms like that. And then if they are a little bit delayed, I would just take more time and like really try and have them understand the box for this version of things.
Yeah, this really helps having this. Like I have a hard time with the net, like kind of seeing it and holding it back
Yeah.
and like seeing that, but having this for me to go back and do.
So the,
Yeah,
like,
because
folds
all like
apart.
all the spots and angles and areas of the
Yeah.
are gonna be laid out.
Yeah, it's a good idea for them to undo it themselves and see.
Yeah. Hands on.